This video shows the installation of AD5M light bar. Install the left and right printed parts to 0x6x 2mm magnets. If the printed document is difficult to install, use a knife to handle it. Refer to the previous step to install. Note: printing of mounting magnets. There is a left-right distinction. Remove the 6 screws from the back cover. Lead connecting line. The magnets at both ends of the LED light strip print face outwards. Is there any interference in the sliding print head? This is the brightness of a single LED. Let's connect another light bar in series. Plug the cable into the other end to facilitate the next LED line in series. Insert another cable. The LED connection line should face upwards. Move the extruder to check if there is any interference. Use the longer one as the next LED connection line. Refer to the method on the right to install. Organize the connection lines. Connect to LED socket. Install the rear cover. Power on LED is on by default. If you need to turn it off,